Did you know that you may look older than your stated age because you have a weak skin barrier? In this video, I am telling you how your skin barrier changes as you age and what you can do to protect and maintain a healthy, youthful skin barrier. This is a crucial part of a successful anti-aging skincare routine. So after you watch this video, you are going to understand your aging skin way better, and you will know precisely what you need to be doing to fix your skin barrier right now. And remember, this is so key because if you have a strong and healthy skin barrier, then you will be more likely able to tolerate these stronger anti-aging ingredients like retinoids and vitamin C. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, known as the Budget Dermatologist. I help you level up your skincare routine at any age and any budget. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and come say hi on Instagram or TikTok at the Budget Dermatologist. So what is the skin barrier? Here is a little 101 quick lesson for you. Your skin barrier is the protective wall to your body. It is our first line of defense. So pretend with me for a second here that your skin barrier is a brick wall standing strong to defend the inside of your body from outside forces like pollution, bacteria, and even sun rays. And it's keeping the good stuff in, like hydration to keep your skin moisturized and robust. Think of each brick in that brick wall as a skin cell or corneocyte. That's what we call skin cells. And every brick is held together by mortar, which represents the fats and oils of our skin. This mortar is made up of ceramides, cholesterol, and free fatty acids. It fills all the spaces between the bricks, or our skin cells, so that the bad stuff stays out and the good stuff stays in. There are also other key components of the skin barrier like structural proteins, enzymes to help skin cell turnover, natural moisturizing factors, and the acid mantle, which contains sebum or oil and maintains the pH of the skin. But over time, this brick wall starts to weaken and crumble. The mortar starts to chip away, little holes and spaces can emerge, and the bricks start to loosen and fall away. More bad stuff is leaking in, and the good stuff is spilling out. So in real life, your skin barrier is undergoing similar harmful changes as you age. Your skin cell turnover is slowing down so that when your skin cells die and shed, it's taking your aging skin much longer to generate new skin cells. This is leading to thinner skin, and thin skin is more prone to bruising, tearing, and damage. You may also notice as you age that you have a more dull complexion because those dead skin cells are not just sloughing away as quickly as they should, like when you were younger. So you are getting a greater buildup of dead skin cells on the skin surface. And meanwhile, you are producing less of the mortar, so less lipids, ceramides, and fatty acids to hold these cells together, to hold water in, to maintain that moisture. So aging skin is more dry than youthful skin. And also, aging skin is more easily irritated and more sensitive than youthful skin. Because of this leakiness, it is allowing more of these harmful things into the skin that do not belong there. And aging skin produces less natural moisturizing factors and compounds like hyaluronic acid, urea, and proteins, which causes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And that acid mantle that I mentioned earlier that maintains the pH of your skin, well, as you produce less oil and sebum with age, this changes the acid mantle, which alters the pH of your aging skin and makes it more prone to damage and infection. Your structural proteins like collagen and elastin are breaking down more rapidly than your body can rebuild them. And you have a slower wound healing time and a weakened skin immunity and greater skin sensitivity and reactivity. All of these are not so great things for our aging skin. But the good news is you can counteract some of these aging skin barrier changes with good skincare products and practices. Education is the absolute key here because now that we know what is happening to the skin as we age, we know what to look for to replace what we are losing. So we are going to fix our skin barrier from two angles here. First, skin products, and second, lifestyle approaches. Let's start with your skincare products. You need to focus on 3 categories of ingredients and make sure you have all of these categories covered in your routine to optimize the health of your aging skin barrier. First, hydrating ingredients that will draw water into your skin and hold it there. This is key. 2 of my favorites are hyaluronic acid and glycerin. You can often find these ingredients within skincare products such as combination serums or moisturizers. You do not necessarily have to have a separate hyaluronic acid product, for example, to benefit from this ingredient. Here is one of my favorite hydrating skincare products for aging skin. It's Aven, the Hyaluron B3. It contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin, so both of my favorite hydrating ingredients, and 6% niacinamide. So this is a combination serum and it is very hydrating and it has a super simple formula, which I love. So it's great for sensitive and aging skin. It is plumping and firming. You will get amazing results with this one. So I will link this below. Now, the best budget hyaluronic acid that you can get, in my opinion, is by the brand, the Inkey List, their hyaluronic acid product. It is lightweight. You can see serum consistency. I don't know if you can see that, but this combines lightweight or different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. So it gives you moisture and absorbs across multiple layers of the skin's surface. And this one is only $7.99 right now, I think. So a serum that is amazing, under $10. I think it is one of the best sellers from the Inkey List. I'm going to link this one below. And this one also contains glycerin, which we know we love now, and Matrixyl 3000, which is a peptide that can build collagen in your skin, soften fine lines and wrinkles. So if you want an amazing hydrating serum under $10, check this one out by the Inkey List. The second category of products that you need in your routine is barrier repairing ingredients. So remember when I said that your brick wall is developing holes in it that are causing leaky barrier leading to dry, damaged skin? You need to plug those holes with barrier or mortar repairing molecules. Think ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids, and oils. These are going to hold water in and moisturize your skin. You can find these ingredients in serums, moisturizers, cleansers. Just about any skincare product can be fortified with these ingredients. Some are more nourishing than others. Here is an example of a very well formulated barrier repair moisturizer. This one is by Paula's Choice. It has 5 skin identical ceramides in it. This is just a really nice lightweight moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid, cholesterol, glycerin, other oils containing fatty acids, and peptides. So I would consider this one to be kind of an all-in-one, well-rounded barrier repair product. I will link this one below. And if you want an even more affordable option, check out this new one that just launched this month, I think, by the Inkey List. It is the Bioactive Ceramide Repairing and Plumping Moisturizer. So check it out. It is a little thicker of a cream. It is at an amazing price. I think it's right around $20. So stay tuned for a full kind of deep dive product review of this on my channel soon. But for now, if you're interested, I will link this one below. And the third category that you need to fix your aging skin barrier is a gentle exfoliant. Believe it or not, but you want to be very careful here. You do not want a harsh exfoliant. You want a gentle one. We want to achieve a gentle exfoliation of those dead skin cells, which are piling up on our skin instead of sloughing away like they did when we were younger. So we are going to use this ingredient here to turn a dull complexion into a glowing one. And certain skincare acids can actually be hydrating to the skin. Now, I love glycolic acid in anti-aging and skin barrier repair routines because this is going to loosen away those dead skin cells, and it can make your body increase its own hyaluronic acid production. That means more moisture to your skin, and it can even help build new collagen. All of these things can lead to improved hydration and strength of your skin barrier. You do not need to do this daily. You can actually do it just once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on your particular skin type, but definitely do not overdo this step. And I recommend starting gentle, gentle, gentle. I like this cleanser by L'Oreal. Again, right around $10 product. It has 3.5% pure glycolic acid. And as a cleanser, you are applying this to your skin, letting it sit for a minute and then rinsing off. So it will be very gentle. I'm going to link this one below. But if you want to try a leave-on product, I really love the glycolic toning solution by The Ordinary. It is also under $10 right now. I think you can get it for $8.70, which is an amazing price for a skincare product. It has 7% glycolic acid in it. It's really nice to apply to the skin at least once a week. So I'm going to link that one below too. The Inky List also has a glycolic acid toner, but I do not like that one as much as The Ordinary one for anti-aging and skin barrier repair routines, because the Inky List one has higher percentage of glycolic acid, which can be more irritating the higher you go, but it also has witch hazel in it. So I think that that one could be potentially more stripping. I like that one better for oily skin routines, but for anti-aging skin barrier repair routines, for exfoliation, check out The Ordinary toning solution. Now, I will do a full in-depth skin barrier repairing routine video this month on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications so you don't miss it. If you want to see how all of these products, these different categories fit together in a complete routine that will really heal your skin. Okay, so let's review real quick. Here's how you can easily incorporate skin barrier repairing products into your anti-aging routine. As a serum, put a thin layer under your moisturizer. You can grab an all-in-one moisturizer to make sure your moisturizer step in your routine has these added ingredients in it, like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, natural moisturizing factor, all of that. Make sure it is a thicker, more nourishing formulation, and then add a peel or an exfoliant in once to twice a week at night. But again, a full in-depth routine is coming soon on my channel. Now, let's talk about lifestyle. A few things come to mind here for me. More hydration in your routine. You want to drink more water. You can even add electrolytes to your water to supercharge your hydration. I love this brand. I will link this below. These electrolyte packets that I use once a day in my water. I'm going to link this below. This supplement really helps you be more efficient in absorbing water into your gut and your bloodstream. And you also want to consider a collagen supplement to strengthen your skin and improve your hydration. The one I use is by Sparkle. You guys have seen this on my channel before if you follow me along here. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and Verisol collagen, which is the highest quality and most effective type of collagen. I'm going to link this one below. And lastly, better, more diligent UV protection. As your skin barrier wears down, it is even more susceptible to damage. So you need great sun protection in the form of SPF. Grab whatever sunscreen you like, and UPF clothing and hats if you're going to be outside for extended periods of time. So if you treat your skin barrier appropriately as you age and you are responding to your aging skin, you will preserve your youthful look and you will look healthier and more vibrant. I am going to link all of these products that I mentioned in this video below. Stay tuned for a full in-depth skincare routine about the skin barrier and another deep dive product review. Make sure you are subscribed, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of that. Come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.